So hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix too many people using this feature in CapCut. Okay. So guys, this error usually happen when the CapCut server is overloaded. Your network and your DNS settings are conflicts or maybe your app version is outdated. So guys, to check and fix this issue, first of all, you check internet connection. So guys, you check the internet connection and switch the network. To refresh your network, you simply turn on your airplane mode on and off. Okay, so you use it. Another thing is guys, you clear CapCut caches. For clearing the CapCut caches, open your Play Store, sorry, open your application CapCut and long press on it. After that, going to the app info section. And guys, here you see the option of storage and caches. And guys, you see the option of clear caches. Just click it and clear your caches. Okay. Another thing is guys, update your CapCut to the latest version. So guys, currently I'm in Indian. In India, CapCut is not available, and if you want to update it, simply open the Chrome browser, open new tab. Here you simply search CapCut APK. When you search, just click it, then use this website up to down, and guys, here you move downward, and here you see the download button. You download the latest version of the CapCut. Another thing is disable private DNS. So guys, this solve many access limit here. If you are using any third party and DNS, so you disabled your private DNS. For this, simply go to your settings. In the settings section, guys, go to the option of more connections. In the more connection, here is your private DNS and turn it to the off. Okay, still having the issue. So guys, try using at off peak time. Sometimes server are overloaded, like if you are using in the early morning and late night. So these are the best time for using the application because at this time there is low users. Okay, so this error happen many user access the same feature in simultaneously. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe our YouTube channel for the further information.